Okay, this is the unboxing of the HTC Vive Pro. See what we've got in here. Okay, we got some packing peanuts. Got a couple pieces here. Okay, let's see. Ordered this directly from HTC. So we've got a Vive controller. Got another Vive controller. Okay, I'll set that over here for a second. Got a base station and another base station, two base stations. And we've got some kind of grommets. Got nothing else in there. Okay. Let's see what we got. Base stations are probably the same, so we'll just open one. The controllers are probably the same, so we'll just open one. Let's start with what's in this bubble wrap. Got some mounting brackets. It looks like mounting brackets for the base station. Got some screws that can go on the wall with some anchors. That's not a very good job. So those are just the screws. Got some screws and anchors. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and 4 drywall anchors. And then we've got 2 of these. This is like a ball and socket joint. You'd mount this on the wall like that, and then you can point your base stations at your environment. Make sure you're getting good coverage. It's good. Get that again. Put that aside, tighten it down. Okay. We'll open up the base station since that seems to be what we're talking about right now. Up. Plastic. The base station. We've got the mounting bracket on the bottom for mounting it to the holder. This is HTC. Clear front. On the back, we've got some more mounting areas, and we've got some places for cables. And then the front, we've got a little plastic protector on there that we can peel off when we're ready. Set that aside. See if we've got anything else in here. Take that out, the cardboard. And we've got some instructions. Basic safety stuff. Information about the warranty. And we've got some wiring down here. What do we got? This is a plug, a wall plug. It says HTC there on it. Got a cable wrapped up with okay. And it looks like it's round adapter cable. Stretches out pretty far. Okay. Pretty good. Probably about 4 or 5 feet of cable there, all told. And then got nothing else in the box down there. So empty box. That's a base station. Now we've got the controller. Controller right there. There, top, back, bottom. Go ahead and take a knife, open it up. Side here we've got warranty and instructions here, nothing else in there. And the controller itself. Pretty funky. Got something to interact with the base station, a tracker. Got a little pad, like a little joystick pad, a button there and a button there. Oh, it looks like it's actually charged up. That was a little mistake. Turned that on too soon. Got a trigger button there. Got a left button and a right button. And another button there for menu. So all told, you've got a tracker on the top, a button there, a joystick pad, left, right, and trigger, and then a safety strap. And then inside, it looks like we've got a recharging plug. It says HTC on it. Little USB port. And then we've got a basic USB charging. That must plug in right there, charging port right there. And so that is the Vive controller and the base station. Okay, we're doing the unboxing for the HTC Vive Pro. I think this is the headset, so let's see how we go here. Box within a box here. Let's see. Okay. There's the box it comes in. Okay. Good. Specs over there. Steam capable, requires VR capable computer, information about Vive port, nothing on the bottom. Let's see here. First bit. Some link adapters here. This. Pad, or not sure what that is. Cables. Got a USB to USB extension cable. We've got some kind of a FireWire kind of cable, a DVI cable. There we go, it's a video cable. That goes into, looks like that's going to plug into there. What else do we have in here? The mounting brackets. A little foot, kind of foot to screw in the bottom of something. See what that, or no, maybe that goes on the side of the earpieces on the headset. What else do we have? We have cleaning cloth. Wipe off the headset. That's it for the box. Also in there is a power supply. HTC US wall plug, and a round power adapter. Good. So those are the accessories we got coming with it. And here, pull this up. Got some setup guidelines. That's kind of a nice arrangement. And then this piece, let's see, we're gonna get this out. All right, nothing else in that box. Headset. Okay. A nice vacuum form plastic mold there. Some other things in the box. Some stickers. And some guidelines for setting it all up. And some more bits, some warranty information. Then the headset itself. Got some bubble wrap around the side here. Protecting the earpieces. Cable's got, looks like a video port there. Pick it up. And we turn that together. Inside it, we've got protection. It says warning, warning. Do not drop nails in there. Warning, do not shine light inside. Your vision specs there. And that's it. That's the HTC Vive Pro.